Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Vector Database Techniques. Similarity Search and Indexing. Imagine a library, but instead of books, we store information as points in space. These points represent things like images, text, or even musical notes. Vector databases are super efficient at finding the points closest to each other, which helps us find similar items quickly. Think of it like finding books with similar topics on a shelf. Each piece of information is converted into a vector, a list of numbers. These numbers represent the characteristics of that information. For example, a picture of a cat might have a high value for furriness and whiskers in its vector. A developer uses algorithms to convert data into these vectors. The core power of vector databases. We give the database a vector, e.g., a vector representing a new image, and it finds the vectors most similar to it, like finding similar cat pictures in our library. This is done by calculating the distances between vectors. Closer vectors mean more similar items. Just like a library organizes books by genre, vector databases use indexes. These indexes help the database search for similar vectors very quickly. Even with millions of items, good indexing is crucial for performance. Think of it as creating a detailed map of your library. There are many indexing techniques, like IVF, inverted file index, and HNSW, hierarchical navigable small world, each with its strengths and weaknesses. We'll look at a few examples and understand how they differ in speed and accuracy, helping you choose the right one for your project. Let's code a simple image search engine using a vector database. We'll see how to convert images to vectors, store them, and search for similar images based on a query image. We'll cover basic code snippets in Python. Vector databases power many applications, including recommendation systems, Netflix, image and video search, Google Images, and even plagiarism detection. We'll explore these examples and see how vector databases are transforming various industries. We'll discuss popular vector database options like Pinecone, Weaviate, and FAISS, highlighting their pros and cons to help you make informed decisions for your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.